Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have brand new Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to tell you how to make them discoverable. So, if you open the case lid, all AirPods are discoverable right now for every iPhone. But if you want to enter pairing mode, you have to search for this LED light at the front of our case and tap 3 times below that LED light. Let me show you how to do it. As you can see, our LED light is now turned on. Triple tap and now we are in pairing mode. Now our headphones are discoverable by Android phones and we can pair them using our Android phone. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.